Hey YouTubers, it's UC Weapon back again with another Trackmaster unboxing review and first run, and we've got Nia or Naya and the elephant. Includes removable elephant. So this one is from the, I suppose it's a special or it's a season, I'm not sure, Thomas Big World Big Adventure. I haven't seen it, so I can't say any more about it. On the back we see a Thomas, and we also see Yongbao the hero. And Thomas is with some sort of car, Ace the Racer or something like that. So I don't know, they're trying to make it Hot Wheels or cars or something. Nice work, Mattel. But anyway, here we see Nia and her train. Comes with some instructions, which are boring. So let's have a good look. We have a sort of hay bales. I think they're hay bales for the elephant to eat. And we've got Nia, which is quite an attractive looking tank engine. I really do like the shape of that one. But in reality, when I look up the prototype of that one, the real version is much, much bigger than Thomas. So in the show, I've seen pictures of her next to Thomas, and she appears to be smaller than Thomas, but in reality, in real life, a much bigger locomotive, more like Arthur in size. So yes, quite good detail. All tamper-graphed on, no stickers, which is nice. Lacking front buffers though. And we see the green truck, just a generic truck with hay bales. And the elephant with its elephant truck. So quite tall, this one. It'll be interesting to see if it has any problems on the layout. Quite a good little slate truck, that looks like. Would make a nice one for the narrow gauge engines. So we'll have a look at the elephant here. It has a swivel head, and you can only swivel that far. And that far. So you can have, yes, elephant. But okay, he's got peg holes in the feet, which attach to the truck, because there's pegs on the truck, and that keeps your elephant secure. So very cool looking little elephant. I'll pop a battery in there and see how she goes. Of course, takes two AAA batteries. And running nicely, as you would expect, because there's not much to these moving parts wise. So pop her back together and we'll go over to the layout and see what's what. And over on the Trackmaster 2 track, off we go, do some nice runs. Oh, and we've struck a problem already. Well, the elephant has struck the base of the spiral and it cannot get through. So it cannot run on its own track again, just like Lexi. So this is a problem, Mattel. You design these sets. I know you probably got in your disclaimer somewhere that not all trains work on all sets, etc. But still, you should put more thought into things when you design them. So we have to leave the poor elephant behind, which is the actual whole purpose of this train, use the elephant. But anyway, yeah, looking really good. And stop for some water in the tank. And off we go. Running quite well so far. No complaints here. Had a problem. We're stuck up on the spiral. And nasty derailment to follow. Yeah, it's not good. It was wedged in there quite tightly. So what I did, I took it and I modified it to run on the blue track, and I think we're going to have a much happier experience now, which is something I should have done for Lexi. But anyway, so yeah, I was very happy on the blue track. I'm not sure if this Trackmaster 2 track thing experiment was a success or a failure. Pretty fail actually. So I might get rid of this Trackmaster 2 track and put in some blue sidings or something like that. Maybe even double track. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? Bit of double track, Tomy track. But we'll see. And running well. I chromed her side rods, and they look really good actually. You just see a bit of light glinting off them every now and then. Definitely very shiny. So that's cool. I might do that to more trains. So I think it looks much better than the sort of grey plastic that they have when they are new. So yeah, it's quite shiny, the rods. I don't know how durable the finish is on it, but we'll see over time. But yeah, very shiny. Very good. So yes, I'm going to leave it there today. I would like you all to come and visit us at blueplastictracks.com. My website that I own, family friendly, all about Thomas Trains and Tomy, Trackmaster, etc. And a good place and some nice people. Also, if you could pop along to Patreon and show me some love, that would be awesome too. So I'm going to leave it there today. Thanks for watching.